Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to save a web page as PDF. Friends, if you want to save a complete web page in PDF format, then you simply need to open Chrome browser. Now here open the web page which you want to save in PDF format. So to save this web page in PDF format, I will use two methods. The first method is very simple, but sometimes it won't save the site in original design. So in first method, you simply need to click on these three dots and here you need to click on print. Now in destination, you need to select save as PDF and click on save to save the web page in PDF format. Now select the destination to save the file and click on save. Now I have saved this file on my desktop. Now here you can see it has not saved the web page in its original design. So if you want to save the web page as it look like in web browser, then you simply need to open Chrome browser and here you need to open google.com and in Google search you need to search for Chrome Web Store. Now open the first link. Now in Chrome Web Store you need to search for extension. So search for Go Full Page. Select the first extension. Here you can see large numbers of users are using this extension. So from here you can add this extension on your Chrome browser. As this extension is already added to my Chrome browser, so I am getting the option to remove from Chrome. So add this on your Chrome browser and after that you need to open the web page which you want to save in PDF, and after opening the web page you need to click on the extension option and here you need to click on Go Full Page. Now it is capturing the complete web page. Now click on PDF to download this web page in PDF format. Now select the destination to save the file and click on save. Now I will open the downloaded file. So here you can see it has saved the web page in its original design. So friends, like this you can very easily save a web page as PDF. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.